Today we're taking a look at our 1991 Honda Acty. This one is a four-wheel drive, 5-speed manual. That's the Honda real-time four-wheel drive, so kind of a full-time or all-wheel drive system. Fairly standard for a mini truck. This one has a 350 kilogram payload capacity, fold-down bed sides, 660cc 3-cylinder engine. Nothing too special with this one. It's a naturally aspirated, fairly simple. It is the SDX trim level, so the higher trim for the Acty truck. It was registered recently in Japan, which means that maintenance is up to date. Everything looks really clean on this one. This one has around 66,000 kilometers, so just over 40,000 miles. Clean interior. There's a small tear in the seat here, a couple of them, but nothing too bad and nothing that's not expected from these trucks. That's a fairly common thing. But yeah, ceiling looks good. You can see there real-time four-wheel drive and the mileage up there. 5-speed manual. This one does not have air conditioning, as with most trucks. The original AM radio. Go ahead and start it up. So this is a carbureted 3-cylinder. And it's a mid-engine placement in these Hondas. So you can see under this bed mat here, that's your access panel to the engine, right under there. Also, it looks like this mat was on the bed for almost its entire life. This thing, the bed is in great shape. No rust, no signs of wear or anything. It looks immaculate, which is not very common. Usually those are pretty worn in. Sounds like an Acty. This is an E07A engine, so that's the same 3-cylinder that Honda put in a ton of other cars. The Honda Beat, the Honda Today, Honda Acty, Honda Street Van. Any K car probably had that engine at some point in the 90s. But yeah, really, really clean on the interior. Nothing really to note. Fuel tank is down here on this side. Standard leaf spring suspension in the rear, which makes these super easy to lift. Coils in the front. And on this side you have your battery as well as your coolant reservoir, and then your spare tire hanging right there. This one has some nice aftermarket wheels. Looks like these are 13-inch wheels. They look pretty good, actually. Give it a nice kind of more aggressive look, and it has some nice winter tires on it as well. So yeah, this thing looks really good. It's in great shape, runs great, drives great. No complaints with this one. So it's available now here in Seattle, Washington. You can check it out on the website, jdmcarandmotorcycle.com. It's our 1991 Honda Acty. Thank you for watching.